was seen kissing and hugging Aneet Padha during the Sayyara success party. They were so close to each other the whole time that it got people thinking, is this Bollywood's hottest new couple? Or is it a new PR marketing tactic to sell the film? Newcomers Ahaan Pandey and Aneet Padha have insane on-screen chemistry, which made their movie Sayyara a certified blockbuster. Mostly because fell in love with them. The way they look at each other on screen, it feels real. The movie has already earned over 500 crores, making it the biggest hit for any debutant. Since fans are obsessed with their sizzling chemistry, many are convinced it's not just acting. And now, it looks like that romance has spilled right off the set. This was them at the movie's success party. Sources inside said they were inseparable the entire night. One eyewitness revealed they were in their own world, constantly smiling and whispering to each other. And their chemistry isn't just limited to late-night parties. Even before the movie's release, the duo were often spotted together, sparking dating rumors. The rumors caught fire when the two openly posted each other's pictures on social media, not just talking about their acting, but also about their unreal friendship, the support they give each other, and how much they adore one another. Well, that's how this on-screen couple became fans' favorite off-screen duo. People just love this shit. And once the movie released, the duo were out in public everywhere. They've been spotted all over town since filming Rap, from quite industry events, and the cameras keep catching them together. Their body language definitely looks like more than just friends. Recently, they were also spotted on the street, both in the back seat of a car, having a fun time together. Just look at how Aneet adores Ahaan when he's interacting with his fans. Well, once the dating rumors started, people close to the duo began sharing their encounters with the couple. A film crew member said the bond between Ahaan and Aneet was obvious from day one. Another crew source said it was their dedication to their roles, which were intensely romantic, that brought them incredibly close during filming. From the film shoot to promotional events, the duo were always seen together. One of their cute clips from a promotional event also went viral, where Ahaan is seen being nervous while Aneet handles the conversation like a pro.
Everybody that I love and everybody who's worked on it is like watching it, it's really nerve-wracking. And also he's not helping much. It's really not. I show my shaking hand, he's like, me too.
Well, Aneet has worked on a few projects before this film. She has several advertisements and web series. So, basically, Aneet has some experience and it shows in her confidence during conversations. Ahaan, on the other hand, has mostly worked behind the scenes and Sayyara is his first big screen project. And talking about their rumored relationship, so far, both Ahaan and Aneet are staying completely silent. They haven't confirmed or denied a single thing. But for the thousands of fans shipping them online, the evidence is adding up. Whether it's a brilliant publicity stunt or a real-life love story, one thing is clear. Everyone is obsessed. Do you think they're secretly a couple?